After watching the video, I believe that, well, first off, for intelligent life to develop, it's already very, very, very unlikely. Um, to even find to have a planet like Earth where it has a stable atmosphere and it's not too cold, it doesn't get too hot, and it's in a stable solar system. That's already something that's very difficult to find in like space in the universe. And so for intelligent life to actually develop, I feel like it was nearly impossible. Yeah, it happened. Um, I do believe that there are other intelligent forms out there, but there's not a lot of evidence that speaks towards that. Um, Honestly, I I say like for life like that to develop, I think it just needs like a lot of luck, really. Just everything needs to fall in place for the species to survive. The things necessary for it, and the species need to develop and evolve, just like how people believe that humans evolved and we weren't always as intelligent as we are. It takes time. So I do feel like there are other intelligent life forms out there that are possibly like, developing into intelligent life forms. But I just, the chances of that happening are really low. But then again, our universe is also extremely large, so there are so many different variables that could go into it and affect, the outcomes. So it's really a judgment call, and I feel like it can happen, but I doubt that it'll happen often. I say we'd be lucky, so maybe find another species of intelligent life forms in our entire universe, just due to like all the things necessary for us, us as intelligent life forms to have developed. And so I think those species will also need that time to develop and those resources and things like that. So I feel like it could happen again, although very unlikely.